Okay, today we're going to be following the blog post Top 50 Ggplot Visualizations, which will be linked below. And by the end of this video, you will be able to make this plot. A reminder, this is all information I found online. I am reusing their script, but I'm going to explain it for you to understand how to use it as well. Okay, so to start, we're going to do a correlation scatter plot. And this is most frequently used as a plot in data analysis, which helps you to understand the relationship between two variables. You will need Ggplot. So if you don't have Ggplot installed, install that. Check to see it's there. We're going to change the scientific notation off. So if you do options SciPen equals 999, that turns off your scientific notation, so you won't see 1e to the x number. Then we're going to set the theme for all of our plots in this subsection to BW. Theme set, theme BW. We're going to use the data called Midwest. So load your data, Midwest, comma, package Ggplot2. Before we move on, let's view the data set, Midwest. See what we're looking at. Okay, you've got county, state, area, population, total density, population that are white individuals, population black individuals, and so on for demographics, etc. It's quite a large data set. Okay, so we're going to look at the area by population total. It's going to be a scatter plot, so geom point, and we're going to color by state and increase the size of each dot by population density. So you're going to see larger dots and smaller dots. We're going to smooth this with the method LOESS, L-O-E-S-S. Standard error is false. Now, I really encourage you to use a colorblind friendly palette. So scale color viridis achieves this. D for distinct. So each indicated value has its own unique color. Your X limit for this particular plot, 0 to 0.1. Your Y limit, 0 to 500,000. Based on your data, you can adjust these to fit your data frame. We're going to label it with a subtitle, area versus population. Our Y-axis is population, our X-axis is area, and our caption will say source Midwest. Here's what that looks like. Large scatter plot. Geom Smooth adds this line to kind of show the general trend. And as you see, as the area of the county hits this margin, you have an uptick. And that uptick reflects the population. You can see based on the color which state we're talking about for which population. And then the larger dots indicate population density versus smaller ones have a smaller population density. Hence why larger dots are up higher and smaller dots are down lower. Stay tuned for next week's video where we're going to do scatter plot with encircling.